A day in the city. Emily had always dreamed of living in a big city. One sunny Saturday, she decided to explore the heart of her city, Newtown. She woke up early, excited about her adventure. After a quick breakfast, Emily took the bus to the city center. When she arrived, she was amazed by the tall buildings and the busy streets. People hurried past her, some talking on their phones, others carrying shopping bags. The sounds of honking cars and laughter filled the air. Emily first visited the famous park in the middle of the city. It was a green oasis surrounded by concrete. Children played on the swings, and couples walked hand in hand. Emily sat on a bench, enjoying the fresh air and watching the world go by. Next, she wandered into a small café. The smell of fresh coffee and baked goods made her mouth water. She ordered a slice of chocolate cake and a cup of coffee. As she sat by the window, she watched people outside. A street musician played a cheerful tune, and some people stopped to dance. After her break, Emily decided to visit the art gallery nearby. Inside, she admired beautiful paintings and sculptures. Each piece told a different story, and Emily felt inspired by the creativity around her. As the sun began to set, Emily headed back home. She felt happy and grateful for her day in the city. Newtown was full of life, art, and stories, and she knew she would return to explore even more.